The Free Knowledge Center is back with another video on the health benefits of green tea. Please subscribe to the channel and join our family. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications of our future videos. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and is well known to assist with weight loss, reduce the risks of cancer and have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. The antioxidants in green tea can also help benefit with wrinkles and signs of aging. This can even be absorbed into the skin through steamed green tea. This same method also prevents acne growth in some people and has been said to keep their skin looking revitalized and healthy. Green tea also contains an amino acid known as theanine, found naturally in tea leaves. Theanine is a substance that provides the body with a relaxed and tranquilizing effect, which will help soothe those with depression and high levels of stress. It is good to know that, like all teas, green tea contains a key active ingredient known as caffeine, a stimulant. It does not contain as much caffeine as your average cup of coffee, but a moderate amount to keep you awake and alert. Green tea leaves can be ingested into the body in a variety of different forms. Number 1. A hot cup of green tea. Number 2. Green tea latte. Number 3. Green tea face mask. Number 4. Steamed green tea. Number 5. Green tea matcha powder. Number 6. Green tea pills. If you are looking for ways to feel better, be more alert, lose weight and lower your risk of chronic diseases, as well as improve on your overall well-being, then implementing green tea may be a wise option as part of your everyday life. So what are you waiting for? Start drinking green tea starting today. If there are more benefits of green tea that we might have missed, please comment on them below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. We really appreciate it. See you all in the next video.